First here, according to the White House Coronavirus Task Force, the top 10 counties with the highest number of cases of coronavirus per capita are in non-metro areas, more rural areas. NBC 26's Eric Krest looks at what medical leaders here in Northeast Wisconsin are seeing.
According to the White House's Coronavirus Task Force, non-metro areas with less than 50,000 people are seeing some of the worst outbreaks of COVID-19 in the nation.
We're not free just because we live in a rural community and there's less people or there's more space.
Julie Bieber, the vice president of Bell and Health's Oconto Hospital, is seeing the uptick in cases firsthand. Now, she says many folks with symptoms like the sniffles, the flu, or just a case of it's that time of the year are turning out to be COVID, and they are spreading it to their rural communities.
I think it's really important for people to understand those are symptoms of COVID, and we really want to make sure that they get in to get tested.
At the beginning of the pandemic, rural testing sites were pretty rare, but in the time since March, they popped up in Oconto Falls, Peshtigo, Kewanee, Marinette, and several other locations near rural communities stretching across Northeast Wisconsin.
You got to test to be able to control this virus. You got to know who's positive to be able to isolate them.
Dr. Ashok Rai with Purveya says access to COVID testing sites in rural Wisconsin need to continue to keep pace with what larger communities are providing.
Our concern for rural America is pretty strong right now,
especially considering that outbreaks in smaller communities can spread fast when many residents visit the same gas station, same grocery store, even the same post office as those who unknowingly have the virus.
When you have limited resources in limited places, it just creates a situation where more people are going to congregate, whether they want to or not, sometimes just out of need. So it's going to create situations which create spread.
In rural Wisconsin,
if you have any symptoms, please just get tested.
Eric Krest, NBC 26.